Hello YouTube. So few days ago I got this new Sanyo 49-inch LED TV. So I'm giving this ground floor of my bungalow on rent, and this TV I have specially adding for my tenant, not for me. Okay. And this is a huge room, very huge living room. So I was looking for something which is value for money. I mean budget friendly, but at the same time it should be huge. So this was the best practical model, and this is a display unit. I brought it from showroom. So I got good deal on this. This is a full HD non-smart television, and in my living room upstairs I have LG 50-inch television that is also non-smart. I specifically preferred a non-smart because the smart TVs lag with time, so I hate that kind of lags. That's why I brought this non-smart TV with some purpose. I already actually unboxed it. Let me show you the contents inside. So this is a remote. These are the mounting stands. Unused, brand new. These are wall mount stands. I mean bracket. Okay, so you get this kind of wall mount. With that, you will get these fasteners as well. So that's all about the accessories. Now let's come to the main TV unit. Lots of packaging inside. I need some room space to keep it up. It's huge. Okay, it's very big. So nothing else inside the box. So this is how TV looks. It's 5-star. 100 million minutes consumption. You can see the plastic is still intact, not removed it. So the model number is Sanyo XT-49S7200F, which you might have seen on the box as well. The TV looks really huge, and I am planning to wall mount it on this wall itself. So me show you the ports and everything from the back side, and I will try to get this TV out of the box. It's pretty difficult to handle alone. Let me check. So now let me show you the close view. This is IPS panel, guys. I specifically brought this TV because it has IPS panel. It's pretty slim. Bezel are very slim as well. Okay, 111 units consumption per year, not bad. That means it will only charge me around 1000 rupees for the electricity bill. This is how it looks from back side. This is the model number. Here are the ports: USB antenna, HDMI 1 and HDMI 2, which has the ARC. They have not written ARC as well. It's sound out, but that stands for ARC only. Why to use such kind of sticker, man? Emboss it on the panel itself, na? So if you lose this sticker, you won't be able to find which is HDMI 1, which is HDMI 2. Okay, that is the scope of improvement. See, here is no embossing anywhere. Okay, here are some more ports. Headphones, AV out, AV in, AV in 2 and HDMI 3, and it also has the VGA port, which is pretty much useless these days. One thing I didn't like is they haven't provided the optical port. I was expecting optical out. No worries. So this is the overall view of the TV. It's pretty slim, guys, and will look slick on this wall. Let me show you the area of my living room. See, it's pretty big. So to have a better viewing experience, see, even though it's a 49-inch TV, still it looks small. But we need to manage somehow. And purposefully I brought full HD because 4K would look smaller. So that's all. Now I will install this on the wall and then we will continue. I will have to buy some smart device as well. So if you want to see specs closely, Full HD, 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, PC input, dot noise reduction. I don't know what is that. IPS panel, most important, guys. IPS panel lasts longer because I have the LG television. It's around 10 years old and still as good as new. Narrow bezels, bright panel, makes sense. Panel should be bright only. Let's check the other details. Okay, so here are the specs. Okay, 48,000 is the MRP. So that's all, same from both sides. Let's see what is there. Nothing much. Packaging was good. Now let me install it and then we will continue. So guys, I finally installed the TV. You can see I changed the arrangement of my sofa. I kept all chairs in front of the TV because from this angle I wasn't much impressed. The clarity is okay, but the viewing angle is not okay. From here the TV seems big and enjoyable. Sound quality is great. Picture quality is good though, but not as good as my LG. If I look closely, I can see the grains. So it's good to enjoy it from far distance. Backlight I have kept on 50% only, it's not at max, and all other settings are on 50%. The sound output is also great. I can listen to it from far distance. Let me turn off the lights. This is how the clarity is. This is a full HD resolution, not the 4K. I have connected my laptop right now. So that's all about this TV, nothing much to say. The settings are pretty standard inside, nothing much, as this is not a smart TV. If you have questions regarding the same, drop me the comments below. This is how it looks when mounted. I purposefully mounted it at some height, but I think a little lower could have been better. So if you have any questions, you can freely drop your comments below. Thanks for watching, and let me know how it looks to you. If I sit down, this will be the viewing angle. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Live loud.